Real Estate U Final Exam Questions 100 Correct Answers. Article 12A of the NY's Real Property Law. The section of the New York Real Property Law pertaining to real estate salespersons and brokers. Primary purpose is to protect the public. Requires a salesperson to be at least 18 years of age and a broker to be at least 20 years of age. Sponsor. A licensed real estate broker that holds the license of a salesperson. Summary of your submission. Obtained after your register for the New York State Salesperson Exam using eAccessNY. You must bring this with you when taking the state exam. Misdemeanor. A crime punishable by up to a year in prison and/or a $1,000 fine. Listing agreement. An employment contract between principal and agent, authorizing the agent to perform services for the principal involving the latter's property. Pocket card. A card issued by the Department of State to each licensee which contains the photo, name and business address of the licensee. Must be carried by the agent at all times when serving as a salesperson. Fiduciary. A person who on behalf of or for the benefit of another transacts business or handles money or property not the person's own. Such relationship implies great confidence and trust. Old car. Obedience, loyalty, disclosure, confidentiality, accountability, reasonable care. Disclosure regarding real estate agency relationships form. A written explanation, to be signed by a prospective buyer or seller of real estate, explaining to the client the role that the broker plays in the transaction. First document to be submitted to all prospective clients. Exclusive agency. An agreement of employment of a broker to the exclusion of all other brokers, if sale is made by any other broker during term of employment. Broker holding exclusive agency is entitled to commissions in addition to the commissions payable to the broker who effected the transaction, made between a broker and a seller. Principal. The employer of an agent or broker, the broker's or agent's client. Price fixing. Conspiring to establish fixed fees or prices for services or products. Market allocation. An agreement between members of a trade to refrain from competition in specific market areas. Boot. Cash received in a tax-deferred exchange. Tax shelter. Any method of reducing taxable income resulting in a reduction of the payments to tax-collecting entities, including state and federal governments. Straight-line depreciation. A method of calculating the depreciation of an asset which assumes the asset will lose an equal amount of value each year. A residential property is depreciated over a 27.5-year period. A commercial property is depreciated over a 39-year period. 1031 exchange. 45 days to identify a new property.